Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It is Naya, known as Modest Guru, and today we are trying out some brand new TikTok viral e.l.f. cosmetic makeup products. So I just want to get a first impression of these, see if we like it. I want to see if you all like it, see what your thoughts are, and let's get into it. The pack is in. It came in this recyclable packaging here, so it's as big as my head. First one that I picked up is the Stay Cool Primer Stick. This is a hydrate and smooth primer stick, the one I was waiting on because I feel like we all need a tan. Like, some of us, such as myself, spend a lot of time at home working remote, so anytime I can fake a tan, why not? Like, I grabbed the Rose Gold e.l.f. bronzing drops. So we have the Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray by e.l.f. So this is their Primer-Infused Matte Bronzer, and this is in the shade Sun Soap. I'm excited to try this one. I think I wanted a different shade, but they were sold out, so I got the next shade up. As usual, I had to pick up their Primer-Infused Matte Blush. And a part of my free gift, which I love when brands do this, is provide free gifts to their customers. They gave me Pure Skin moisturizer, and this is with oat milk. So to start, I'm going to prep the skin with new products. Let's start off with the e.l.f. Stay Cool Primer Stick. Good to roll this stick up. So this primer retails for $7. Let's see how it, ooh. It is so cooling immediately. Let's see if it hydrates as well, like it states. So I'm always curious about that part. Instantly, you can see how it hydrates my skin. Okay, let's get it under them bags, okay? The bronzing drops states to shake well before use. Add 1 to 3 drops to your favorite e.l.f. skin moisturizer or your face oil or body cream of choice, and blend. More drops equal more bronze. So that's really great to have the instructions right there for you to use. That's right, and this is 1 fluid ounce. Now, because I probably could have went up 1 shade, I do want to apply, okay, drops. I do want to apply some of the drops just by itself to see if I get a different reaction on my skin. It's giving a healthy glow. It will do, but I like how it's not like a drastic change. But I don't know if you all can tell, but compared to my neck, it definitely gave me more of a natural bronze look. Like that. 1 fluid ounce. If I'm not mistaken, this retails for $12. So yeah, you can really see it now. I'm going to go in with the Halo Hydrating CC Cream. This is a full coverage CC cream that obviously I completely love. Not even playing. So I want to see if it makes a difference underneath. And this is in the shade Medium 355W. I've had this for months now, and it lasts. Like, a little bit goes a long way. Now I feel extra hydrated. I have on the primer, I have on moisturizer, and the bronzing drops. So my skin feels so good underneath here. I will do a wear test because I am a little bit concerned about the oils that may come through with so many different layers. But we will have to test that out. Moving on to the bronzer. Like I say, I am not going to contour anything because this shade is pretty dark for my skin complexion. And it's called Sun Soaked. This is the color here. has this like, I feel like it has like a reddish undertone. So I want to take it easy to build it up. I've already like set my face. You see how much product comes off? Like that pigment is crazy. Okay, y'all, I'm nervous. Oh, yeah. This is definitely a red undertone. So I'm gonna see if it works for my skin complexion. A good part is it seems to be blending out really well. Looks really pretty, but a little bit of this goes a long way because this is not exactly the right shade for my skin complexion. I need to go down about a shade or so just to have like that extra pigment, but I do like how blendable and natural this look. Now with the tan drops, it is giving something. It's really giving me like vacation and the sun. Like I have this like healthy glow to my skin right now that I absolutely adore. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm a little bit nervous to put on the blush. Like this is intimidating for me. Ooh, okay, let's choose a blush brush. Show you this color up close. This is the blush here. Oh, so stunning. It's like this purple and pink. It's like a purple and pink mixed together. Let's try it on this side. Ooh, baby. No, I keep forgetting how good e.l.f. is with like the color payoff. Do you see that? Girl, I'm in love at this point. I say it don't take a lot. Damp it in. Like I do not have this color and I'm actually enjoying this color blush. You want to put some on the nose, everywhere. Is it too much, you all? Please let me know. I'm obsessed with blush. So I feel like no, but you all tell me. Hey, tell me how it looks. Right, so I will finish up my face and be right back to give you the final review and the final look of pulling everything together. Bronzer and the blush retails for $7. So pretty. I actually love it. Oh, feels really, really nice on the skin. I just sprayed the Power Grip setting spray. And this is how it look once it's applied. It did not phase my makeup at all. It did not move it or anything. So e.l.f. always do their big one. Like I literally have on a full face of e.l.f. Power Grip, the Power Grip spray, it retails for $10 and you get 2.7 fluid ounce. I did not mention this, but on my lips I actually have on this new baby here. So these are really popular, these like push up applicator. You don't take a lot, and then you can definitely feel the plumping to this, but it's still very cooling, which I like. Toasted. Oh, it looks so great with a brown lip. So get your hands on it just to try it. I love it so much. I love this entire look. What I do want to do is show you on my phone what this looks like in natural lighting. So let's jump over to that clip in natural lighting so that you can see what this actual makeup looks like outside of the studio lights.